Smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to pack a punch of nutrients into your daily diet. Whether you're looking to start your day off right or need a post-workout pick-me-up, there are endless possibilities when it comes to creating the perfect smoothie. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right combination of ingredients. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 healthiest smoothie combinations that are both tasty and beneficial for your overall health. First up, we have the classic green smoothie. Packed with leafy greens such as spinach or kale, this smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Add in some fruits such as banana or apple for sweetness, and a scoop of protein powder for a complete meal. Next on our list is the tropical smoothie. Pineapple, mango, and coconut water are the perfect combination for a refreshing and hydrating drink. Plus, the high levels of vitamin C and potassium in these fruits make it great for your immune system and overall health. For a creamy and indulgent option, try a chocolate and peanut butter smoothie. This combination not only tastes delicious, but it's also high in protein and healthy fats. Use almond milk or Greek yogurt as a base, and add in a scoop of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of peanut butter for a satisfying treat. If you're looking for a low-sugar option, a berry smoothie is the way to go. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making it great for digestion and preventing inflammation. Use unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk as a base, and add in a scoop of vanilla protein powder for a creamy texture. Lastly, we have the Detox Smoothie. This combination is great for when you're feeling a little sluggish and need a boost of energy. Use ingredients such as ginger, lemon, and turmeric to help with digestion and reduce inflammation. Add in some greens and fruit for added nutrition, and enjoy the refreshing taste. Overall, smoothies are a great way to get a variety of nutrients into your diet in a convenient and delicious way. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend and enjoy the benefits of a healthy and satisfying drink.